Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty and I am showing you how you can bring a little red, white, and blue to your next summer cookout. This is my recipe for patriotic pizza. Be sure to visit us on the Blackstone YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and keep up to date with everything that we are posting all week long, every single day for you guys. For this pizza, I'm using the new Blackstone Parmesan Ranch seasoning, which is out of this world. I cannot get enough of it. It is fabulous. I'm gonna start by sprinkling some into my sour cream. I wanna flavor my sour cream. This is gonna be the final topping for our patriotic pizza. I'm just gonna add enough and taste test it throughout until it's perfectly seasoned to my own liking. Once it's perfectly seasoned, I'm gonna add this to a storage bag. You can use any size storage bag that you want. The little sandwich baggies are perfect. I just wanna scoop this into the corner of the bag. When I'm ready to use it, the bag is gonna help me pipe this perfectly across or around my pizza. You can do any design that you like. I'm gonna stick that sour cream into the refrigerator, and then I'm just gonna turn my Blackstone on to preheat to low heat to give me some time to prep my tomatoes. Prepping is key to cooking on the Blackstone, in my opinion, having everything ready to go. So I'm just gonna roughly chop these up. They don't need to be perfect. They're going all across the pizza. And then what I've done is diced up 3 slices of bacon into small pieces. That way it's ready to go right onto my Blackstone. I wanna cook this and save as much of that bacon grease as possible. When it's done, I'm gonna use the fish spatula from Blackstone, which is perfect for removing my bacon and leaving behind all of that yummy bacon grease, which I'm gonna throw down my ground chicken into. I use this thing more than I use the spatulas. So my chicken is chopped up. Now I'm just gonna add the bacon ranch seasoning all over that chicken because I can't get enough of this seasoning. It's so delicious. Mix that up, and I'm just gonna scoot it to the side to give me some room to throw down my pizza crust. I'm using an artisan pizza crust from the grocery store. These are so fabulous for cooking pizza on a griddle. A little avocado spray down to help me toast up my artisan pizza crust. I like to do the top side down first to get a nice crisp and golden color on that pizza crust. This way, when I flip it over to do the same to the bottom side, I'm gonna add to that a big handful or 2 or 3 of mozzarella cheese. I'm using whole milk mozzarella all over that, and then I'm adding my cooked chicken that will melt into that cheese. Check the bottom of my crust when it's perfectly toasted up to where I can slide it off with a spatula without having any flop to my pizza. Take it off, and then I'm just going to add some blue to my pizza. For my blue, I have some blue corn tortillas. I'm just gonna hand crush these and then zhuzh them up all around that pizza, spread them out, sprinkle them all over. Then I'm gonna grab my red bacon and spread that all over the pizza as well. I have my red diced tomatoes that I'm adding that, which are nice and cool. And then another cool factor is a tangy cold blue cheese that I'm just gonna crumble all over the top of that pizza. And lastly, my seasoned sour cream. I'm just gonna slice the top off of that baggie and then give it a swirl around that pizza. You can give it any kind of design that you want. And there you have a red, white, and blue pizza full of different textures and flavors, and everything just marries so well together. I can't wait to see what you guys are making for your summer cookouts. Show us your red, white, and blue, tag Blackstone products, follow us on the Blackstone YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, hit the little bell, keep up to date with everything that we are posting for you guys. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.